Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a familiar struggle, the daily grind of getting your little ones from point A to point B. That's where a good, sturdy wagon, made for children of course, can become an invaluable piece of equipment for parents. We've done our homework, consulted with experts, and even tried some popular options ourselves to round up the best kids' wagons for every terrain and every budget. Let's roll. Kicking off our list is the Evenflo Pivot Xplore all-terrain stroller wagon, a true crowd pleaser known for its versatility and mid-range price point. One of the standout features of the Evenflo Pivot Xplore is its UPF 50+ sun-shielding canopies. This wagon is built for adventure. The all-terrain wheels can handle bumpy sidewalks, grassy fields, and even some light trails, making it perfect for families on the go. Despite its robust build, the Evenflo Pivot Xplore folds down compactly, making it a breeze to store in your car or garage. The adjustable handle can be customized to your height, making it comfortable to push for both taller and shorter parents. Overall, the Evenflo Pivot Xplore all-terrain stroller wagon is a fantastic option for families seeking a reliable and versatile wagon without breaking the bank. Next up, we have the Bob Gear Renegade Canopy Stroller Wagon, a premium option designed for families who demand the best.
The Bob Gear Renegade is a 3-seat push-pull model, making it perfect for larger families or those who frequently transport multiple children. Safety is paramount, and this wagon delivers with a 5-point harness system to keep your little ones secure. Plus, the included child snack tray is a lifesaver for keeping kids happy and entertained on the go.
The all-terrain tires glide effortlessly over various surfaces, from smooth pavements to bumpy trails, making it a joy to push. You'll appreciate the smooth ride and effortless handling, whether navigating a crowded park or exploring a new hiking path. If you're seeking a top-of-the-line wagon that offers unparalleled comfort, safety, and performance, the Bob Gear Renegade Canopy Stroller Wagon is worth every penny. Let's talk about a classic for a moment, the Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon. This wagon is a testament to the brand's legacy of quality and innovation, offering a perfect blend of functionality and nostalgia. As the name suggests, this wagon is incredibly versatile, transforming from a traditional wagon into a bench and a hauling cart with ease. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver even when fully loaded, while the easy foldability ensures hassle-free storage and transport. The 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon includes a sun-protecting canopy to keep your little ones cool and shaded during those sunny outings. Whether heading to the park, the beach, or simply cruising around the neighborhood, the Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon is a reliable and versatile companion for your family adventures. Ready for an adventure? The Veer All-Terrain Cruiser XL is built for families who love to explore the great outdoors.
What sets this wagon apart is its impressive capacity. The Veer All-Terrain Cruiser XL can comfortably accommodate up to 4 children, making it perfect for larger families or those who love to bring friends along for the ride.
Safety is always a top priority, and this wagon doesn't disappoint. Each seat is equipped with a 3-point harness system to ensure your precious cargo stays secure, no matter how bumpy the ride gets.
The front suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride for your passengers, even on rough terrain.
Cleaning up after a day of adventure is a breeze thanks to the wagon's easy-to-clean materials. For families who love to explore, the Veer All-Terrain Cruiser XL is the ultimate adventure companion. Get ready to be amazed by the Wonderfold W4, a wagon that redefines what a stroller wagon can be. The Wonderfold W4 is truly in a league of its own regarding capacity. This spacious wagon can comfortably accommodate up to 4 children, making it perfect for large families or those who frequently transport multiple kids. The large all-terrain wheels can handle any terrain, from smooth sidewalks to bumpy trails. The adjustable handle can be customized to your height, ensuring a comfortable pushing experience for parents of all sizes. Safety is paramount, and the Wonderfold W4 delivers with flying colors. Overall, the Wonderfold W4 is the ultimate stroller wagon for families who demand the best. The Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon is for you if you're looking for a stylish and functional wagon that turns heads.
One of the unique features of the Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon is its dual handlebars. This wagon has a handlebar on each end, making it incredibly easy to maneuver, whether pushing from behind or pulling from the front.
The wagon includes a handy cooler bag attachment, perfect for keeping drinks and snacks cold and refreshing on the go.
The wagon features 5-point safety harness seats to keep your children secure and a car seat adapter for added versatility.
Whether cruising around the neighborhood or exploring a new park, the Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon is a stylish and practical choice for families on the go. Sometimes simplicity is key. The ever-advanced stroller wagon is a testament to that philosophy, offering a sturdy, reliable, and easy-to-use design that makes life easier for parents. One of the first things you'll notice about the ever-advanced stroller wagon is its robust build. Despite its sturdy construction, the ever-advanced stroller wagon is surprisingly easy to fold. The simple folding mechanism allows you to collapse the wagon in seconds, making it a breeze to store or transport. The premium fabric used for the seats and canopy is soft, breathable, and easy to clean because, let's be honest, spills and messes are inevitable with kids. If you're looking for a stroller wagon that is sturdy, reliable, and easy to use, the ever-advanced stroller wagon is an excellent option. Let's go back to the world of Radio Flyer, a brand synonymous with childhood memories and quality craftsmanship. The Radio Flyer Voya wagon is a modern take on the classic wagon, designed for today's families on the go.
One of the standout features of the Radio Flyer Voya wagon is its adjustable bar handle. This thoughtful feature allows you to customize the handle height for optimal comfort, whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between.
The Radio Flyer Voya wagon includes a removable snack tray. Sun protection is always a top priority, and the Radio Flyer Voya wagon delivers with dual UPF 50+ canopies. The wagon's smooth rolling wheels and lightweight design make it a breeze to push and pull, even when fully loaded. The Radio Flyer Voya wagon is a winner for families seeking a stylish, functional, and easy-to-use wagon. The Joey wagon is a true testament to the saying, "Good things come in small packages." One of the first things you'll notice about the Joey wagon is its lightweight design. This wagon is incredibly easy to lift and maneuver, even for smaller adults or older children, making it perfect for families on the go. The Joey wagon is still incredibly durable. The wagon is built with a sturdy aluminum frame and all-terrain wheels that can handle various surfaces, from smooth sidewalks to bumpy trails. The handle can be adjusted to multiple positions, ensuring a comfortable grip for parents of all heights. The Joey wagon comes with 2 canopies that provide ample shade for your little ones. The Joey wagon is worth considering if you're looking for a lightweight, versatile, and easy-to-use wagon that doesn't sacrifice durability. We're wrapping up our list with another fantastic option from Wonderfold, the Wonderfold W2. This wagon is the smaller sibling of the Wonderfold W4, offering the same great features in a more compact package.
The Wonderfold W2 is designed for families with 2 children, providing ample space and comfort for your precious cargo.
The wagon boasts all-terrain wheels that can handle any terrain, from smooth pavements to bumpy trails. Whether navigating a crowded park or exploring a new hiking path, the Wonderfold W2 can handle it all. The adjustable handle can be customized to your height, making it comfortable to push for parents of all sizes. Safety is always a top priority, and the Wonderfold W2 delivers with flying colors. The Wonderfold W2 is a fantastic option for families who want a premium stroller wagon without the larger footprint of the W4. And there you have it, our top picks for the best stroller wagons on the market. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect stroller wagon for your family, making your adventures smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, the right stroller wagon can make transporting your children and their belongings a breeze, whether you're headed to the park, the beach, or just around the neighborhood. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos.